So I took a flight from Dubai to Jakarta a few days ago and had to do a swab test before taking the flight. It came negative. And I came to Jakarta, I slept the one night here in the hotel. And the day after, I had to do another swab test. And which came negative as well. Three days later, I had to do another one. And he came positive. Called me this morning saying I have to evacuate the hotel, which my ignorant mind tells me that it's where I got the virus, if I even got it. And they're evacuating me to another hotel. Hoping it's a hotel, but the lost in translation makes it difficult to understand if it's a hospital or a hotel. The company's taking care of it, which is great, and we'll keep you updated. At this point, it feels like I'm signing my own death.
So, leaving the Swiss Bell Hotel en route to the Twin Plaza, this is a lot better than Uber. So, arrived to the Twin Plaza in a heartbeat, literally. This place really looks like the setting of the movie The Shining. Luckily, I'll be locked in my room. There's no way I'm going to be walking around this place. That's impossible sucks. Alright, nomads. Rule number 1, don't touch anything. Unlock your bag, unzip it, open it, remove your dirty gloves, find a garbage bag, throw them in, look for monsters in the closet, find your sandals, remove your shoes, put your sandals on, sanitize your hands, remove your jacket, place it neatly somewhere. Look for dead bodies. Okay, no dead bodies. So overall, great view, great rest, sucky food. I lost about 2 kilos. Found a parking lot where I was able to work out after the 7th day of quarantine. Okay, I've done the time and quarantine has been completed. I've been moved from the red zone to the green zone, and I am saved by this beautiful tape right here. Safety first, guys. Safety always. So I managed to make it out alive. I legitimately believe that I was never gonna live the movie The Shining. En route to the airport, back to work.
Oh, hi. Sorry, I didn't see you there. I'm Joaquim Silva, and this is my channel.